Hey, this is our next video in the series about collaborative problem solving. Today we're going to talk about Plan C. Don't worry, you didn't miss Plan B. I haven't done that one yet. I'm skipping down to Plan C because Plan B is the one where it's the real meat, and I want to get to that one last. But Plan C is basically you've been battling over something, or it's a little battle, and you think it's not worth it. I don't have it in me to fight this fight. And it's maybe something you don't care about that much. Like, they won't eat their broccoli at dinner. So you can either draw a firm line and say, you don't get to leave the table unless you eat your broccoli. Or if it's, if that's not worth the battle to you, just put the broccoli on the plate and hope they eat some and don't have a big battle over it, right? And that's entirely up to you. This is how we all decide how we want to parent ourselves. But Plan C is basically being permissive is the word that they would use for it, meaning you're not going to have a battle over it. And frankly, I probably used that some as a parent just because I didn't want to battle over every little thing. It just wasn't worth it to me. And I think to a certain degree, sometimes it makes the kid feel like they have a little more independence and they get a little say. And as long as you're not saying, oh, I'm not gonna, worry about a safety concern, safety things, definitely you have to tell them the way it's going to be. But if it's not a safety concern, maybe you let some things slide sometimes, and maybe that just makes everyone's life a little bit easier. And maybe you'll find if you start letting some stuff slide that you haven't let slide before, it'll just be a happier house, right? It'll just be a little calmer and less combative if you can do that. And obviously you have to choose what feels right for you. But there's a lot to be said for being calm in your household. That always feels a little better. All right. So Plan C is permissiveness. So Plan A was authoritative. Do as I say. This is the line. Plan C is permissive, letting them sort of get away with one, so to speak. Okay. All right. And I'll talk about Plan B next time. Okay. Oh, again, Kate at katechasman@nusd.org or kate@katechasman.com. I'm always happy to answer questions. Okay. Thanks. Bye.